Okay guys, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to make Samsung phone charge faster. If your Samsung phone is not charging at the speed in which you expect it, that shows there is a particular feature you do not turn on your Samsung phone. So this works on all Samsung devices, including Samsung that support wireless charging and Samsung devices that do not support wireless charging. Irrespective of your Samsung devices, especially if it is running on 1U 6.0 or 1U 6.1, then you should be able to make sure that you turn fast charging on your Samsung device. So this is a typical example on a Samsung A54 device. So if you're using Samsung A55 or the A series or the S series or M series, you will be able to enable fast charging on your Samsung phone. So the first you want to do is you want to go to your Samsung device settings. While on the settings, you just need to scroll down until you see battery, then tap it. So once you selected battery, just make sure you scroll down a bit and then click on charging settings. Once you hit charging settings, there is a feature called fast charging. If this feature is turned off, make sure you enable this feature. Mark you, if there is a feature to enable fast charging for wireless charging on your Samsung device, you need to make sure you turn on this feature as well. So under charging settings, there is a feature called wireless charging. There is a feature called fast wireless charging. In this case, I'm missing this feature on my Samsung Galaxy A54. If your Samsung possesses this feature, you want to turn on this particular feature as well to make sure that your Samsung device charge faster when it is connected wirelessly. Also, if you're using wired, make sure you turn on fast charging. In this case, with fast charging enabled on my Samsung Galaxy A54, both normal charging and wireless charging is going to turn on fast charging by default. So guys, if this video is helpful on how to enable or make Samsung device charge faster, you want to hit like and of course you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quality videos just like this.